Dear children, I have come up with yet another video, and the topic for today is using list, images, and links in HTML. You have already done HTML in class 6. The basic tags are already done in class 6. So in this chapter, we will learn about list and different types of lists. What is a list? A list is the most efficient way of presenting information in a precise manner. Right? So in a simple word, if we say, if you have anything that needs to be displayed in a specific order, like in numerical order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on, or in alphabetical order A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, or Roman number 1, 2, 3, 4, in any order, we call it list in HTML. We also have another type of list that is called bulleted lists. So instead of numbers, we'll have bullets in those lists. So first, let's see what is unordered list in HTML and how to display it in a web page. So we have already done this in the last Zoom class also. So first I'll show you some coding of HTML for unordered list. This we have already done. Even then, this will be a revision for you all. So your HTML starting tag, head tag, all right. Under this we have title, all right, inserting lists. For now I have made it inserting lists, right? So title will be as per the web page. So it depends on what contents do you have in the web page. So here, just for an example, it is inserting lists. So right now we are learning how to insert the lists. So for that, I have inserted a title, or I have given a title as inserting list. So head tag is closed. We have already learned in class 6 that when you have opening and closing tag, opening and closing tag, like opening and closing tag preceded with the forward slash, we call it container tag. Body tag, right? The main part of HTML starts from here, body tag, and ends over here, right? The content of the web page will be enclosed within the body tag. Whatever is displayed in the web page, it is always within the body tag. Rest of the tags will not be displayed. So body BG color, background color. So spelling of color, please be careful. COLOR, color. It is not COLOUR, right? The computer does not accept COLOUR. Background color is green. Left margin 100 pixels, top margin 25 pixels. So 100 pixels on the left side. So 100 pixels gap will be there on the left side of the web page, and at the top of the web page there will be 25 pixels of gap. So B tag, this is for bold, right? Whatever is enclosed within the B tag will be displayed in the bold faced manner, right? Font tag, right? Any type of formatting, right? Size, color, right? Font. For this we use font tag. Right now we have used only size. Font size is 6. Font color, after that, color equals to yellow. So the color will be yellow, the size will be 6. And it will be only for this particular line, that is 5 Ds for success. Font tag is closed, bold tag is closed. Now this will be displayed in bold faced manner. Size will be 6 and the color will be yellow. Now the font tag is closed for this particular line. In the next line, font size equals to 6. Font size equals to 6. Color is white. So the font size for other text will also be 6. The color for those text will be white. Now this is the setting which we have done. This is the formatting which we have done, right? Now starts list tag, unordered list tag, UL list tag. So unordered list, you can refer to your book page number 106. The unordered list is used when the items are not to be displayed in any particular order. So when we don't have any orders, like we don't have a numerical order or alphabetical orders, at that time we will use unordered list tags, UL tag. This list can be defined within the UL opening and closing tags, right? So opening tag is over here and the closing tag is here after we complete it, right? So it is also known as bulleted list because the items will be displayed in the form of bullets, right? So LI tag after that, very important. Under any list tags, that is whether it is ordered list, whether it is unordered list, we have to specify li tag. Li stands for list items, right? So whatever items you have in the list, those items has to be typed after the li tag. So this is another optional tag. This, if you want, it can be closed. If you don't want to close it, it's up to you, right? So li, so we have dedication in the list, we have devotion in the list, we have discipline in the list, we have discrimination in the list, and we have determination in the list. So all the items we have in the list, we want to display it in the list, will be displayed in li tag. Now we will close unordered list tag. Unordered list tag is over here. This font tag is not closed. Please be careful. This font tag is not closed. This upper one font tag is closed over here. But the lower font tag which you have used is not closed anywhere up here. So we will close it here. Then we will close the body tag. Here we have closed it. And then lastly, we will close the HTML tag, opening and closing. Right? So in this way, we will complete one document. The one HTML document is completed over here for unordered list. Now let's see the output. Right? We'll minimize this one. So here unordered list UL, right? So we will not minimize actually. So when we are, I have already saved this one. When you all are creating, make sure you save it properly. File, save as, right? Give the proper name, right? I've already given the name ul.html. .html is very, very important, my dear students. The file extension is very, very important. Otherwise, it will be saved as a text document. So when it is saved as a text document, it will not be displayed as a web page. Rather, it will be displayed as a text. So ul.html. Then you will click save button. I will not do that because I have already saved it. So this is for you all. You will click save. All right. Choose the location from here. See, I have saved it in my folder schoolwork 7 HTML. So I have saved it over here. You can choose the location. You can create your own folder, put it inside your folder. All right. You can do that. In this way, the file management will be proper. So I have already saved here. See schoolwork under that 7 HTML. So UL unordered list. Let's double click this one and see the output. So here it is, 5 Ds for success. At the same time, I will show you the Notepad also, right? Here it is. Background color is green, right? Left margin 100 pixels. This gap from here, till here, it is 100 pixels, right? And then top margin 25 pixels here. This particular gap is 25 pixels. This gap from here till here. And then font size 6, color yellow. All right, this color is yellow. All right, because of the background, it is not clearly displayed, but this is yellow color. This one, font size is 6. All right, 5 Ds for success. Font tag is closed, right? Now bold tag is also closed since this is in bold faced manner. Now the font size is 6, color is white here. You can see the font size is 6, the color is white, right? So this is displayed in white color, size 6. Unordered list, UL list, right? We start UL list, list items LI, unordered. I told you it will be displayed in a bullet format. You can see the bullets over here before the list, right? So unordered list tag close, font tag close, body tag close, HTML close, HTML tag close. So in this way, you can see we have created one web page for unordered list. So this can be this type of tags, that is unordered list tag or other tags. Ordered list tag, will come to that also. It can be used whenever we have or whenever we need to display some items in a specific order. At that time we use this tag. Now we'll move on to the next one, that is ordered list, right? So another tag is ordered list tag, OL tag. You can see over here, refer to page number 107. I have done that over here in the computer. All right, for all of you. HTML head, you all know this. Ordered list. Body color is peach puff. Left margin is 50. Top margin is 25 this time. Bold. Under boldface manner, font color red. Heading 1. Heading 1 will display the font in the largest font. All right, display the text in the largest font. Right. So heading 1. Recipe for pancake. Heading 1 tag is closed. Font tag closed. Bold tag closed. So if you want, if we are using heading 1, we can remove this bold tag if you want. It is not required, right? So we can remove this bold tag. Let's remove this one. Font size, now the font tag is over for the first one. The second one, font size is 6, color is blue. For later text, the font size for these particular text, the font size will be 6 and the color will be red. Right, font size is 6, color color is blue. Now ordered list tag starts from here. So OL. Now OL tag, under OL tag we have list items also, LI. So in the first list we have in a large bowl, this is in a sequence. Recipe for making a pancake, this is in a sequence. So number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this way we have, typed the text. It is all in list. Now ordered list tag is closed. For this also we'll close the font tag over here, and body tag is closed, and finally HTML tag is closed. So we have made some changes over here. Let's save it. Every time you make changes, do not forget to save this one. So we'll minimize this OL tag. Let's see this one, ordered list tag. Click refresh once. So here it is, recipe for pancake. Right, so number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. So it appears in this way. You can see the font size. All right, you can see the left margin is 50 this side, top margin is 25 at the top. All right, the gap. Then we have pitch puff, the background color. All right, so the color for this one is red, and the color for rest of the text is blue, which is given over here. Right, list items all over here. So ordered list means in an order, in a particular order, 1, 2, 3, 4. So by default it takes 1, 2, 3, 4, all these things. So you can make it into A, B, C, D also. That can also be done, right? So instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, if you want A, B, C, D, that can also be done. Or if you want to start from the middle, all right, the number, let's say ordering, you want to start from any other number, that can also be done. You want to have it in the reverse order, that can also be done. It is in page number 108. Very simple. You can practice this one. It's very simple, right? So let's try and change this one, ordered list. All right, let's make it to A, B, C, D. Right, let's make it to A, B, C, D. Instead of 1, 2, 3, 4 by default, let's make it to A, B, C, D. We'll give attribute name, that is type attribute, TYPE. We are changing the type. All right, the type of numbering we want, we are changing that. So A we put over here. So let's save this one, save. All right, and then refresh this. You can see the numbering is changed to A, B, C, D, E this time. Other types can also be used, like small a. Every time you make changes, save it, refresh. Right, see small letter A, B, C, D, E. Roman number you want, it can be changed to Roman number also. Roman number 1, file, save. Change this one and make it to Roman number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, and then capital Roman number, it can be done in capital Roman number also. So file, save, refresh this one, capital Roman number appears, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this way we can change the type, right, ordered list type, right? whatever whatever type of numbering is required, it depends on the type of web page you are making. So accordingly you can use the type feature also. All right, thank you so much. We'll meet in the next Zoom.